What is the foundation for success? Yes, right. There is such a thing as a foundation for success. This, among everything else that is important, is actually one of the most important, if not the most important foundation for success. This is so important that if someone has too little of it, we can say with 100% certainty that that person will not succeed. And even though it is so important, I still see time and time again that some people don't know this foundation, neglect it, or even ignore it completely. In this video, I want to explain you what this is, why it is so important, and what you can change in your life so that you can create the foundation to be successful. First, let's understand what could be a possible cause in life why you don't have success. So what is success anyway? By definition, success is a positive result of an effort. Let's take a look at such an effort. We're trying to build a cupboard. And let's assume that this cupboard consists of more than 100 individual pieces. Will we be successful in building this cupboard? Maybe if we are a good craftsman. Now, for our example, let's replace the cupboard with a rocket. Will we be successful in building this rocket? Probably not. But let's go back to the cupboard. What are the critical factors in getting our cupboard built? 1. Our craftsmanship. 2. A construction manual or a lot of experience in building cupboards. 3. The necessary time. 4. The necessary materials and tools. 3 and 4 we want to leave out here because in this video I want to focus on the points 1 and 2. Both points can be broken down to having knowledge and experience. In the first point, the craftsmanship, we see on closer examination that a large part of it is knowledge that one has acquired in the past. On the second point, the construction manual, we see that it is the accumulated experience in elaboration of what someone else knew that was then written down. Back to our rocket. If we were to break this rocket down into many small parts, and these parts each had as many parts as our cupboard, would it be possible to build this rocket? Admittedly, it would still be difficult. But if you look at it this way, building a rocket doesn't seem so impossible anymore, right? Especially if we had enough time, parts and tools. How many hours a day do you spend educating yourself? Maybe this is exactly the reason why you are not as successful as you would like to be. And in fact, many of the most successful people swear by spending a lot of their time reading or otherwise educating themselves. So you could say that knowledge is the one factor that makes the difference between success and failure. The more construction manual you have in life, the more success you will have. So take what you've learned to heart and arrange your priorities accordingly. Find the right construction manuals that will help you to be successful. Study hard and you will have taken your first step towards a successful life. The top one is a video about how to achieve your goals. The bottom one is a video about what is wrong in the world. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell to not miss any videos in the future. If the video helped you, share it with others and leave me a like.